Hey, what's up?
Hello.
My name's Clayton Jake.
I'm Allie.
And today, Molly's getting neutered.
She's not there anymore. Where's she at?
Molly, you getting chopped up today, girl.
There
she
she
back
is.
there?
Yeah. She does not know what's coming for her.
Yeah, we got a lot to do today. We're gonna get Molly neutered, then we have to clean that guy's house.
Yeah.
And then after that, I gotta go to my chiropractor first time in a month or so. So I can't wait for that. My back's starting to hurt now. Yeah, then we had to pick Molly up back at 3 o'clock. We're taking her, and it is 8:06 right now. And we're picking her back up at
3:15.
3:15.
Long time without our baby.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna take you there, and we'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys.
Oh.
All right, guys. We're here. The dogs are excited. You ready? Polo, you gotta stay. We gotta just take Emmy.
They're excited, but they should not be excited.
Yeah. Come on, Molly. Oh, I just locked it. Come on, Molly. Come on, baby girl. Did you get her collar on?
Stay. No.
You might want to put her collar on.
I don't know.
So they remember her name. Sorry, Polo. Polo's barking.
I put a blanket in there for him.
Here.
Oh.
Can you attach it?
Hush. Hush.
Alright. Good one, Molly. Come here, baby girl.
Fuck you guys.
Here, baby girl. Oh. Oh! Oh, she knows something's up. She knows this place is shots. Oh.
Please, because this needs to be on our plate.
That easy. Baby girl got it on.
Oh my god.
Alright, baby girl, let's go in.
I love you so much. I'm so sorry. Thank you.
So that's for the microchip then? You just need to fill out.
Hey, Molly. You're good. You're good. You're good, buddy.
Back to normal without the post-operative.
So it's up to you.
Let's just do it now.
What all do you have left tomorrow?
This and right here, pretty much. We're doing our side hustles right now, and I'll get back to you when we're done. All right, guys. So I just got Subway from Subway over there. We're going to Taco John's for Allison, and we're gonna eat Taco John's. I used to love Taco John's. Now I love Subway way more than Taco John's because it's more healthier. All right, Allison got 3
Bread with
quesadillas. She got 3 bread with cheese. Oh, and chicken, and they're chicken. They're chicken. That's pretty cheap for the chicken one. We only paid $3 for 3. Cheaper than a $1.25 tree. Hey, someone in my comments. So I say a $1.25 tree. They say 5-quarter tree. How cool is that? I didn't even thought about that. The 5-quarter tree. This is mine.
That is cool. I'm gonna start calling it the Willy Wonka tree.
The Willy Wonka tree. That's mine. I don't know what. What the hell is that shit? That's disgusting. That's disgusting. Did they use one that they wipe their butt with or something?
I think something burnt to it, like cheese or something.
That's disgusting. That's too brown, I feel like, for that. That's stupid. Alright, guys. I think I'm gonna get a haircut. Oh, I do get a haircut. What time is it? Guys, dude, the one thing why I
1 minute. Your haircut's in 1 minute.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna reschedule. No, we're just
You're gonna reschedule it?
Yeah.
Dude, can you be like, sorry, we're at Taco John's right now. We're literally...
It's right there.
Are they gonna charge me more?
And so we'll go somewhere else. You don't have any American.
Yeah.
Thank you for calling cost schedule. This is Mike. How can I help
You
you?
just schedule that.
Hey, this is Clayton. I was scheduled at 12. I was wondering if it could be like 12:15.
What's the name again?
Clayton Reeves.
Clayton.
Yeah.
Hello?
I'm just over
You
at
want to just come in a little? You're looking to come in when?
just like I'm scheduled for 12. Can it be like 12:15? I'm literally across the street at Taco John's right now.
Yeah, that's fine, man.
Okay. Is it gonna be like a upcharge or something?
No.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
See ya.
I got a haircut.
If it's gonna be an upcharge, bitch, I'll go to a different place. But look, so I went to Subway back in the day. I want to tell you guys this. Back in the day, Alex and I, my brother Alex, you guys see him in some of my videos. Actually, I'm not in a good mood with him because he turned me down. I asked him if he wanted to come over and hang out, but he turned me down for our other brother who is crazy drug addict, and Alex doesn't do drugs. So I'm like, why did you turn me down to hang out with a crazy drug addict brother? That is rude. And that's the brother that outed me at Walmart, like saying you have no dick, and yelled it in front of all the customers. So I hate that brother. It's McCain. Alex is hanging out with McCain. Well, it was a couple days ago, so I'm kind of mad at Alex, to be completely honest. But yeah. So we used to have Subway and Taco John's, and I remember back in the day, we're in Taco John's right now. So we would always fight. Alex would be like, I want Subway. And I'd be like, I want Taco John's. So then we had to go to both places. But now it's reversed. I have Subway and Allison. So instead of Alex, my brother, now I have Allison, you know. And Allison chooses Taco John's. That's hilarious. I used to choose Taco John's back in the day. But now it's too greasy for me, I feel like. It kind of like messes with my stomach when I eat here. But down here, just right there where it says Family Video Game is not a thing anymore, but right next to Family Video Game is Cost Cutter, and that's where I'm getting my hair. So the one thing I do like about the small town, everything is right here. Like, we could walk, to be completely honest, so I like that. But I'm getting a haircut, guys, so I'll show you a review. This is how my hair looks right now. We do a 360 on my hair really quick. Oh, you're eating your taco. I'm sorry about that. Let me get in now. I gotta tell you guys a story. Alright guys, let me tell you something about my haircut. So,
You got Pompeii.
So, I went into the haircut, okay? Let me turn off my car all the way. There you go. So, I went into this haircut with my hair. I'll show you previously how it looked. So, you saw it was all slicked back. That's not how I usually have my hair. You guys know that.
Oh, shit.
So, he's like, okay. So, he's like, what do you want? And I said, I want my sides shaved. I want my sides shaved. Don't touch the top until I want to see how it looks. He didn't touch the top. This is the same hair on the top. He's like, okay. Then in the middle, like, dang, okay, I see you have a nice Pompeii. I'm like, yeah, yes, I do. I'm like, I don't know what the fuck that means. He's like, damn, those are in style. Like, you looking so good. I'm like, yeah. I'm like, what the fuck is the Pompeii? Does it look my hair back? Because this is not how I usually have my hair.
Oh my god.
And I just went with that. I'm like, yeah, sure. Like, I don't know what the fuck that means, but yes. So that's how I ended up with this haircut. But you want to know something?
But it'll look normal, right?
Yeah, because he didn't touch the top at all. He did not touch the top at all. But is that what?
You're gonna have a Pompeii
Really?
from now on.
Really?
No, I don't know.
Is it bad on the back?
No.
Oh no, because that's just my front hair. See that?
Yeah.
That's just my front hair, isn't it?
Yes.
Just all the way back there. But I actually don't mind it. It's
You
a new
have a
haircut because
Pompeii.
I've been through so many haircuts. I don't know how to do it. But this is the easy way to grow my hair out too. Is just put it
This is
back.
your picture. Look at the screen. Pull up.
But do you want to know something? My hair is so good. I've never in my life had someone ask me to have a picture. He's like, do you care if I take a picture of your hair?
Before or after?
After. And he took, like, it was my whole face too, because he, like, took pictures. He, like, rotated me.
Smile.
I just went like this. Because he's not obviously going for my face. He just wants to, unless he really thought I was really hot. He's like, hey, I want to take a picture of you.
Now
But
you're going to be hung up in his bedroom.
Yeah, I'm just like this. And then he's just twirling the chair and taking pictures of me. But yeah, I was like, yeah, sure. Is my Pompeii that good? I don't even know what the Pompeii is.
Okay, guys. So we were dyeing my hair, and look how bad he did. Like, look. I even put Vaseline around my face to try to not get it to stick. But he got somehow everywhere, including my hand.
In my hand.
Literally everywhere.
Say hi, Mama. My butt got a bath today. There you go.
Oh,
Thank you.
Here, hold this.
Okay, sounds good. Is she good to eat regularly now?
Yes, but don't be surprised if she doesn't want to eat today.
Okay. You ran right into me then.
Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, she has to wear a headgear. That's funny. Yeah. I'm just gonna hold it like this. Perfect. Yeah. Aw, Molly, you're a
She's a
cute
conehead.
girl. Can I see it?
Yeah. Is it bad?
Oh my, no, you can barely tell.
Oh, okay.
It's just like one baby line. It's not that big. My scars are bigger than hers. Look at all that. How can I get to my door? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Get in clean.
I'm trying. Hey, baby girl, you're okay.
He's like, oh my god, I got love all day, now I don't get any.
Yeah, Polo, sorry. It was your day
Sit
today.
back though, a little, 'cause I can't.
Sit back, Polo. Hey, Molly, you looking fine. So, that's your cone right there. You want your cone on? She's like, no. She's looking fine. Allison, can you pick her up just a little bit really quick? Hey, she's doing so good. We have to put the cone on her if none of us is watching her, but right now we're obviously watching her, so she's fine. Yeah. That's the incision. It's not bad at all. Polo's going for the butt. Hey, why is he all up in the butt?
I don't know. He smells the anesthesia. I don't think he needs to be on the butt.
Molly, no.
What?
She's trying to lick herself or bite it.
Watch her. I gotta poop, so don't come in here.
Oh my god, you had to poop again? Dang.
Hey, hang on.
Good girl. Oh, wait, hey, can we do a hair reveal really quick?
Why did you do that?
I didn't know you were sitting on it yet. Okay.
You're gonna delete that out, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go outside and show them it, because you can't really tell. Molly, oh, we gotta keep our eye on her. Now, do a turn, 360. Yeah, you look good. Come on in. Ooh, it still has like a
Red
reddish tint,
Red and black. Those are the two colors that hardly ever come out.
but it doesn't look bad. Like, I kind of like it. Like, it still looks dark. It when you're in the sun, it kind of.
So slow.
Yeah, Polo, stop, dude. Why are you obsessed with her? All right, I think this video's over. You want to say goodbye to everyone? Are you okay? Are you okay? You doing okay, Molly? I loved you. You're gonna have a good day, okay? We're gonna have to put your comb back on if you keep licking. But I love you. I love you. I love you. Bye. Say bye to the fam.
Bye.
Polo, say bye to the fam. Say bye to the fam.
Bye.
Oh. See ya. We'll see you next video.